Hello friends, welcome to my 97 YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn Samsung Galaxy A20s Mobile new top 10 tips and tricks after Android 11 update. In past, I already created Samsung Galaxy A20s tips and tricks 2 videos. You can watch these 2 videos on my channel. Okay, let's start our video. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A20s Mobile or Samsung A series mobile, I think this video is very helpful to you. Now, Samsung Galaxy A20s Mobile has Android 11 OS, so they add new features to this mobile. If you are a new visitor on my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. Let's learn tip number 1. After the Android 11 update, Samsung officially released the Edge panel to this A20s mobile. You can set your screen on the right side like this. After, you can view this Edge panel. You can easily open your applications, show your device performance, and you can customize this panel as you like. Let's learn how to enable this Edge panel. Go to your mobile settings. After, go to display option. Scroll down this page. You can see here Edge panels option. Now I already enabled it. You can enable this feature. Now you can see this icon on your phone right area. You can set this icon like this. After, you can open this Edge panel option. We can customize this. Now I will show you how to customize this panel. If you want to change this Edge panel default applications, click on this pencil icon. Now you can see your all applications in left side. Now I remove this message icon. Now I add this clock icon to this area. After, I can press my back button. Now you can see I customized my Edge panel apps. If you want to see your all applications in Edge panel area, click on this icon. Now you can see your all applications here. This method is very easy to open our applications. You can see here your applications only. We can add our contacts, weather, mobile performance to this Edge panel area. Now I will show you how to customize this. You can see here settings icon on middle area. Click on it. Now we can add so many panels to this area. If you want to add your contact list, you can click on this people icon, smart select, task, weather, tools, clipboard. You can add these all panels if you like. Now I add apps, smart select and weather tools options. After I press my back button, now I open Edge panel area. Now you can see here smart view, weather, tools, all my selected tools in here. This panel is very helpful to do our works easily. I think this feature is very helpful to you. Let's learn how to add call background photo. If we are receiving a call on Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile, we can see a default animation. We can change this effect. We can add our custom photo to this area. Let's learn how to do this. Open your phone dial pad. After, click on this 3 dots icon in top right corner. Go to settings. You can see here call background option. Click on it. You can select your SIM card here. Now I select this SIM card. After, you can see a preview here. When we are receiving a call, we can see this type call background. We can customize this. You can select your call layout here. Click on this layout button on bottom left corner. Now you can change your call layout here. Now I select this option. If you want to change your call background, click on this background icon. You can see the phone default background video here. If you want to add your custom photo, click on this plus mark on top right corner. After, you can select your custom photo or video on your gallery. Now I select this image. After, you can click on this set as call background button. Now when we are receiving a call, we can see our background image and contact layout like this. I think you like this feature. Let's learn how to enable or disable double tap to screen off option. After the Android 11 update, Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile received double tap screen off option. This feature is very useful to us. Let's learn how to enable or disable this feature. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to this advanced features option, click on motions and gestures option. Now you can see here double tap to turn off screen option. Now I already enabled this. If you enable this feature, you can double tap an empty space on your home screen. After, your screen is going to turn off. I think this feature is very helpful to use our mobile easily. Let's learn Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile side key button feature. Now I press my power key on 2 times. You can see my camera is going to automatically turn on. I set this button to open my camera. If you want to open your another applications, you can set up this button to turn on your applications and other option. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. You can see here side key option. Click on it. You can see here double press feature. Now I turn on this and I select quick launch camera option. If I press my power key on 2 times, my camera will open now. You can see my camera is open. If you want to change this feature, if you want to set up this key to open your another applications, you can select this open app option. You can see your all applications here. You can select your applications you want to open. Now I select mobile calculator. Okay, now I press my power key on 2 times. You can see our calculator is automatically open. I think this feature is very helpful to open our applications easily. Let's learn our Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile file manager new feature. This is very important to you. If we delete some video or photo on our gallery, it is moved to our recycle bin. After we want to clear our recycle bin. After the Android 11 new update, they give a new feature to our file manager recycle bin. Now the file manager has a new recycle bin. If we delete some video, photo or another file on file manager, it is going to recycle bin. Now I will show you how it works. Now I open my file manager. After, click on this 3 dot icon on top right corner. You can see here recycle bin option. Click on it. This is my deleted photo on file manager internal storage. It is not deleted permanently. It is going to our recycle bin area. Now I am going to my internal storage. After, click on this 3 dots icon and you can see here it has recycle bin. This is the deleted photo. Now I am going to my SD card. Again, I am going to recycle bin. You can see recycle bin has the deleted photo. Now I am going to delete some photo on my internal storage. I am going to delete this image. You can see move to recycle bin. Okay, I am coming to back and I open this recycle bin. You can see here our deleted photo. We should want to empty this recycle bin. If your mobile has low storage, I think you didn't clear your recycle bin on file manager. Please check it and empty your file manager recycle bin. After you can get your storage space. Now I clear my recycle bin. Okay, in this method you can get your storage space. After the Android 11 update, Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile has notification history default option. Now we don't want to use third-party applications for viewing our notification history because Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile has default notification history feature. Let's learn how to enable this. Go to your mobile settings, click on notifications option. You can turn on and turn off your apps notifications here. Click on this advanced settings option. Now you can see here new feature notification history. Click on it. Now I already turned on this feature. You can see my notifications history here. If you enable this feature, you can view your all notifications history. Now you don't want to install third-party applications for viewing your notification history. If we turn off this feature, our all notifications are going to delete it and it won't be restored. Let's learn how to add new continuously change wallpapers to our lock screen. We can add new automatically change updated wallpapers to our lock screen. Let's learn how to enable this new feature. Go to your mobile settings and click on this wallpaper option. You can see here wallpaper services option. Click on it. You can see the instructions here. Get the new lock screen wallpapers automatically and see something different each time. Let's enable this feature. Click on this dynamic lock screen option and click on apply. Now you can download each category as you like. Now I like to download this landscape category. Okay, it's downloaded. Now I turn off my screen. You can see our new wallpapers. If you want to make changes on these wallpapers, you can swap your screen right area to left like this. You can view the all wallpapers here. I think this is very beautiful feature for customize our Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile. Let's learn how to remove animations and speed our mobile. If we open some applications, you can see a animation preview. Now I open some applications. You can see a small animation. In this animation previews, our mobile is going to slow. We can disable this app's animation. Let's learn how to do this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page. Go to advanced features option. In the bottom area, you can see here remove animations option. Click on it. In here, you can turn on this remove animation option. Now I turn on it. Now I will show you how it works. Now I open some applications. You can see it hasn't any animation. Application is open quickly. Yes, it hasn't any animation. I think this feature is very helpful to you. If you enable this feature, you can speed up your mobile. Let's learn how to enable swap to call or messages on your number. This is very important feature to you. Now I will show you how it works. Now I open my dial pad. This is the example number. Now I want to get a call to this number. Tap and hold my number and swap to right side. You can see we can get a call like this. If you want to send a message to this, you can tap and hold your number and swap to left. After, we can send a message like this easily. Let's learn how to enable this swap to call or message feature. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and open advanced features option. In the bottom area, you can see swap to call or text option. Click on it. You can view a preview here. Swap a contact code number right to make a call or left to send a message in phone or contacts. You can turn on this feature and try it. Let's learn how to enable or disable screenshot preview bar. If we take a screenshot, we can see a screenshot toolbar on bottom area. We can hide this toolbar and we can change our screenshot file type. Some friends told me when I get a screenshot, my mobile hasn't previewed a toolbar. Let's learn how to enable or disable this screenshot toolbar. Go to your mobile settings and scroll down this page. Go to advanced features option. You can see here screenshots option. Click on it. You can enable or disable the screenshot toolbar here, and if you want to change your screenshot file format, you can select it here. Now I turn on this screen toolbar option because we can take a long screenshot using this toolbar icon. Now I will show you how to take long screenshot. Now I open my Google Play Store. After I take a screenshot, Now we can see the arrow icon. Click on it. After our long screenshot is continuously capturing. Okay, these are the new features on Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile after Android 11 update. In the past, I created Samsung Galaxy A20s tips and tricks 2 videos. You can watch these videos. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile or Samsung A series mobile, I think this video is very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye.